Hi, I'm Jonah with Vizzetto, and today I'm going to show you how to create and save custom workspace layouts in Reactiv SUITE. Now that we're in Reactiv SUITE, let's go ahead and open Reactiv Stage and select one of our workspaces. Now that I'm in my workspace, Reactiv Stage allows users to bring in multiple pieces of content, organize that content, and save it in a layout. Let's go ahead and bring in an Excel file, this PDF, and a PowerPoint. If I select this grid icon tool here, the content will snap in place and fill the workspace. And right next to it is the Save Layout tool. So let's select that. As you can see here, I have a previously saved layout and I want to add this new one. So let's hit Save Layout there and title this A1. Now let's create another save layout. This time I will bring in my camera. PowerPoint and our video. I'm actually going to swipe through this PowerPoint and leave it at this exact slide. And then with this video, I'm going to pause it and zoom in and then save this layout and title it, let's call this A2. All right, so you can see our layouts are saved in alphabetical order. Let's go select this blueprint layout. And just like that, all of our content snaps into place, and let's select A1. As you can see, our Excel, PDF, PowerPoint. Now if we select A2, as you can see, we're back in the exact same position we left the PowerPoint and the video in. I could go ahead and then start the video from exactly where we left it, and then swipe through our PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a client presentation, a team meeting, or a classroom session, simply select your saved layout and watch your entire workspace reappear exactly as you left it. It's a smarter and faster way to stay organized and deliver with confidence.